Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the error level Fastfile is different from the server and how to basically fix this issue. So all you guys have to do is simply just go over to Black Ops 6, and if you have the application open, go ahead and just close it, and you can do that by clicking on Switcher, Call of Duty right here, hit close game. And once that is done, go ahead and open the game back up and check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is simply restarting your PlayStation 5 as well. You can go ahead and, or whatever console you're on, go ahead and just restart it and check to see if that fixes the issue. The third method you guys can try doing is check to see if you have a system software update. Go over to setting, system software, and then system software update and settings, and then update system software. Go ahead and check to see if you have any updates. If you do, go ahead and update it. If you don't, then you're good to go. Fourth method you guys can do is restart your Wi-Fi router, and you can do that by unplugging the power cord for about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, go ahead and plug it back in and check to see if that fixes the issue. And yeah, that should be it, and that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.